Welcome back traders. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into a fundamental skill for any trader, closing partial profit in MetaTrader 5 on your PC. And I will be guiding you through this process step by step. Closing partial profit can be a game changer in your trading strategy, allowing you to lock in gains while still leaving some room for potential further profits. So let's jump into MetaTrader 5 on your PC and open a buy trade with two standard lots. Here, as you can see, we have an open position in our trading account. Now to close a partial profit, the first step is to identify the position you want to partially close. Once you have identified the position, double click on it to bring up the context menu. From here, select Market Execution. Set lot size you want to close partially. I am going to close half of my position, which is one standard lot. You can also choose to close a specific volume of your position by entering the desired volume in lots. Once you have entered your desired volume, simply click on Close. And just like that, you have successfully closed a partial profit in MetaTrader 5 on your PC. Remember, closing partial profit can help you manage your risk and secure gain in a volatile market. It's a valuable tool to have in your trading arsenal. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading! And I will see you in the next video.